Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to add Copilot in Microsoft Word step by step from activation to setup. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to get started, how to troubleshoot if you don't see it, and how to actually use it to transform your writing. Whether you are creating reports, resumes, essays, or business proposals, Copilot can make the process faster, smoother, and much less stressful. So, what exactly is Copilot? Think of it as Microsoft's AI-powered writing partner built directly into Word. Instead of spending hours drafting and editing, you can ask Copilot to generate a polished draft, refine your tone, summarize long sections, or even build a full outline from just a single prompt. For example, you can type draft a professional cover letter for a marketing manager role, and Copilot instantly creates a clean draft that you can personalize. Or if you are struggling with clarity, you can highlight a paragraph and ask Copilot to rewrite this in a simpler tone, and it does it instantly. It's like having a personal editor available 24/7. Now, let's talk about subscriptions because Copilot isn't included in the standalone version of Word. You'll need a Microsoft 365 subscription. For personal users, you can choose the Microsoft 365 personal plan, which costs around $9.99 per month or $101.99 per year. If you are sharing with the family plan is around $12.99 per month or $131.99 per year and covers up to 6 people. For businesses, Copilot works with business standard or business premium plans, starting at around $9.60 per user per month. But here's the key. Business accounts also require an additional Copilot license priced at about $23.10 per user per month. While that's an extra cost, it unlocks enterprise level benefits like integration with Teams, Outlook, and shared Word documents, making it worth the investment for organizations. Once you have the right subscription, setting up is simple. Open Microsoft Word on your laptop, desktop, or iPhone, sign in with your Microsoft account, and make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Copilot only shows up in the newest builds of Word, so updates are essential. When you are inside Word, look at the top ribbon. If Copilot is available, you'll see a sparkle icon or a button labeled Copilot. Clicking this opens a side panel where you can type in prompts. This is where the magic happens. You can ask, summarize this 10-page report into bullet points. You can also ask, rewrite this section in a more formal tone. Generate an outline for a 5-chapter research paper. And here's a pro tip. The clearer your prompt, the better the result. If you just type summarize, Copilot may give you a generic output. But if you say summarize this report into 5 bullet points, focusing on financial results and customer trends, the response will be much sharper. Now, what if Copilot doesn't appear? Don't worry, it's a common issue. First, go to help, check for updates, then restart Word. If it's still missing, check that your subscription actually includes Copilot because not all accounts have access yet. If you are waiting for rollout, you can always use free AI alternatives like ChatGPT or browser extensions that integrate with Word. This can help you draft content outside of Word and then paste it in for editing. Beyond writing drafts, Copilot is also great for editing existing documents. For example, if English isn't your first language, you can ask it to polish this paragraph for grammar and flow, and it will improve readability instantly. If you're writing academic papers, Copilot can help you structure instructions, create outlines, and even generate sample reference text. With Copilot, Microsoft Word isn't just a word processor anymore. It's a full AI writing companion. It saves you time, reduces writer's block, and helps you create polished, professional documents without getting stuck on small details. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.